If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite chicken salad wrap. That's right. So most of the time I love eating salad, but sometimes when I want to eat a wrap and I also want to eat a salad, so what I do is I just make the entire salad and throw it in my wrap it up, grill it, and there you go, my chicken salad wrap is ready. So it has like very clean and good and delicious ingredients. So let me just quickly show you all the ingredients so that we can start cooking. And just to let you know, you can check the description box below for the proper ingredients and directions to my website, and you can check all the other recipes also in my website. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first thing, I have this flat out, this is like a wrap I'm using. This is Italian herb flatbread. So I'm going to be using one of these. It is very healthy, it has only 90 calories. I have some homemade hummus right here. So I like using homemade hummus because I know what ingredients I'm putting into it. I do get a store-bought one sometimes, but I prefer homemade one. And I will give the link of this homemade recipe in the description box below and also the card above. I have some arugula leaves here. They are very fresh and I got them from the fresh producers market, so they're like really good. And then over here I have some grated carrots, and I have some coleslaw, which is a mix of red cabbage, white cabbage, and a little bit of carrots. So it was very little carrots, so that's why I put some more carrots here. I have half chicken breast. If you want to make more, you can just go ahead, use 2 to 3 chicken breasts, just double the spices, that's it. I have some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, a fork, a knife to cut it out. And I have a grill over here which is preheating at 425. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to season my chicken breast with some salt and a black pepper. So it's very simple, very easy, nothing too fancy. You don't have to do fancy, but it's definitely going to look fancy. So, and you can always give this to your kids for their tiffin or something. Or you can have it for yourself, make up with lunch, give it to your kids for their picnics. It's very simple and they're gonna love it. So I've seasoned with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder on one side. Now I'm going to turn it around. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to turn it around and season over here also. You want to season it really good because chicken doesn't have its own flavor. So you want to put the flavors nicely. Salt is done, and black pepper. If you don't have a grill, you can go ahead and use a normal pan. I have a grill, this baby grill, so I'm going to use this. So this is all preheated, smoky. So I'm just gonna leave a garlic powder here, and now I'm gonna spray some avocado oil in here and put my grill. So let's do that. Okay, so I have my avocado oil here. I'm just gonna spray a little bit here. Keep my chicken breast. Do you hear the sizzle? You want it to be really hot, nice sizzling. And I'm gonna spray some more on the top and just close my grill until my chicken is done. It's gonna take about 7 to 8 minutes until it has nice grill marks and it's crispy from the outside and everything. And once that is done, I will get back to you once it's done. Okay, so you can see how good it has the grill marks and the color. My chicken is perfectly cooked. It was in the grill for like 8 minutes and it's done. Now what I'm going to do is, along the stripes you can see this grill marks. I'm just going to slice it so that it's very easy for me to put it in my wrap. So what I do is I just hold it here. Just slice it very gently. So my grill is still it's still heating because in the end I'll be heating it again. So it's still on. You don't want to off it right now. Switch it off. Just slice it here. Wow, it looks delicious. So good. So I'm just gonna slice all of this and I'll show it to you when I get there. So I have this flatbread here ready. What I'm going to do is, you just want to take, I'm just taking one. And first of all, what you want to do is you want to take the hummus, take like a spoonful of it, and here. So the hummus is the only dressing that I'm going to be putting. So you want to put it in a good amount so that you get some amazing flavors. So I'm going to be spreading some hummus. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. You have no idea how good this is going to be. It's like this, the best healthy wrap kind of a thing. And it's also so quick. You just saw it. It was just the cooking for the chicken. The chicken was just cooking and everything was just here ready. And now once this is in, I'm going to take some tomato, place it here. I'm going to take some onions, place it here. And use some greens. You can use your favorite green leaves that you like. I love arugula, so that's why I'm going to be using arugula here. I'm going to use the coleslaw right now. And I love taking coleslaw because it gives a good crunch, even the carrots. So I love crunchy things, you know. And the carrot goes in. Oh my god, guys, I am going crazy looking at this. This looks so good. And then I'm gonna be taking, I have half an avocado here that is already sliced. So I mean, it didn't come sliced, I sliced it. So I'm taking the avocado out, and I am going to be placing it right here. So don't worry if it comes up from here and there, that's fine. And now finally, well, if you want to make a vegetarian wrap, just go with this, don't add the chicken, it already looks so good. I'm going to take some chicken slices and I'm going to place it here like so. Oh my god, it looks delicious. That's it. This is it. I have some more chicken here, but I'm not gonna overfill it. Like I told you, this is the left one. I'm gonna make some other wrap out of it. And now what I'm going to do is just push all of these here very lightly, gently. You don't want to break it or something. Wrap it up like so. And just place this entire thing in here. You don't have to spray any extra oil because it's already there from the chicken and everything. And just press it like for 30 seconds to 1 minute and your wrap will be ready. I'm just waiting for it to be done, and I will show it to you when it's absolutely ready. Okay guys, so you can see my wrap is absolutely ready. I've cut it in half and oh my god, I cannot wait to try it. It looks so good. So let me just go ahead, take a bite. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. This is so good, and the hummus that I spread makes the all difference. Like I think it's the most important thing in my wrap. If you don't have hummus, you have to get it from somewhere and just otherwise make it at home. I also have a recipe for that. You can check that out and put it in this wrap. I mean, it is so good. I can get all the crunch from the coleslaw, the carrots, the onion, and the combination of everything is so good. Everything is going so well, and yeah, I mean, this is just great. So if you guys like my recipes, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next recipe very soon. So till then, bye bye.